First of all, you get two pieces of bread and you put them together and you pop them in one side of your toaster and set that going. You don't want to get the toaster cooking too much, you just want to put a light toast on it and let that go. Alright, as soon as that toast pops, I'll talk to you about the ingredients. Well, it's a pizza, you know, so we need some tomato for the base, so I'm using a standard pizza sauce. And then we want some cheese, any kind of grated cheese will do. I happen to have some cheddar lying around, and that's going to be my pizza cheese. And what I've got here is some bits out of my fridge and a can of anchovies I've opened up. And there's some chopped up fricadella here. There's a recipe for fricadella on my channel. You can also chop up some cooked sausage if you like. And I've got a few little bits of ham to dress the pizza with as well. So we've got a choice of pizzas and we've got everything we need to make it. The only difference is we haven't got a pizza base, we've just got some bread. Okay, my toaster's popped. Here we go. So there you see it's cooked on one side, not the other. So I just lay them down there. And the next thing we need to do is grab ourselves a bit of this pasta sauce. And you need about a tablespoon on each one. Just put it on there, straight on, and rub it in. If you like more, put more on. It's your pizza, not mine. Now for the cheese. You can be generous with the cheese, or not, depending how much cheese you got, I suppose. Well, put a bit on to start with and see how far this lot goes. Don't want to waste it, do we? So I'm doing this series with people in mind who, you know, they're trying to cook, get a decent meal on a budget. Maybe they're students, or maybe they're just guys shacked up in the same house and trying to sort themselves out for a snack while they're gaming and what have you. Whatever you want to do. Right, so there's the pizza, that's the cheese on it. Let's do a bit of sausage on this one. And a bit of sausage on this one. So two there with sausage on. Some ham on this one. There we go. Get creative with it if you like. Get as fancy as you like. Got the bits of ham on there. There you go. And let's dress them ham ones with a bit of basil. There we go. So there's a bit of basil and a bit of ham on that one. And I'll do some anchovies because I'm mad for anchovies. So I'm going to put them on the corner on a little bias, make it look kind of fancy. Why? Because I can. There we go. So that's the pizzas all done. They're now ready to go. You can add a bit more cheese if you got it. Add a bit more topping. I'm going to use all these up because I might as well. And I'm mad for them, like I told you. There we go. And what I do is now, while I've been doing this, you make sure your oven's getting hot. So in the time it's taken to do this, your oven's got hot. I'm cooking at just a shade over 200 degrees Celsius, which is about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And they will go in there until they're done. Now, you can save about 5 minutes and then have a look, and we'll do that now and I'll get back to you. Okay, there we go. That was a total of 5 minutes in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see, it's cooked the pizzas off perfectly well. So there you have it. Bargain banquet pizza. You caught me.